In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person from your shared Google Calendar. If you've shared a calendar with someone in the past and you no longer want them to have access, Google Calendar makes it fairly straightforward to remove them. This is useful if a team member has changed roles, a project has ended, or you simply want to tighten up who can see your schedule. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along on your computer. To begin, open your computer and go to Google Calendar. Once the page loads, take a look at the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the section called My Calendars. In that list, locate the calendar you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct calendar, especially if you manage more than one, such as a personal calendar, a work calendar, or a shared team calendar. Next, hover your mouse over the name of that calendar. When you do, a 3-dot icon will appear. This is the More menu. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This will open the settings page for that specific calendar. On this page, you'll find several sharing and permission options. So take a moment to confirm that you're editing the right calendar before making changes. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Share with Specific People or Shared With. This area shows the people who currently have access to your calendar. Look through the list and find the email address of the person you want to remove. As you review the names, double-check that you've selected the right person so you don't accidentally remove access for someone who still needs it. Once you find the correct person, click the Remove option or the X icon next to their name. As soon as you do that, your calendar will no longer be shared with them. That means they won't be able to view future updates or access the calendar through the permissions you previously granted. And that's it. The change should take effect right away. If you're managing calendar privacy, it's a good idea to review your sharing list from time to time and remove access for anyone who no longer needs it. Keeping your calendar permissions up to date helps you stay organized and protects your schedule information. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove a person from your shared Google Calendar.